Well, good afternoon. It's been a tough last day and a half here in Erath County, and those folks at your, all the employees at your cooperative, they're working hard right now just for you. And folks, just want to give you an update as to where we're at right now. We've got about 30 crews out trying to restore power. As you know, living in the area, this morning we had another round of precipitation that was freezing, and so we got it down to about 4,000 folks out last night, and unfortunately the weather this morning, we're back up to about 7,400 folks out right now. So, but we're working hard at it and trying to get things restored as quickly and safely as possible. I want to give a shout out right now to Hotech Electric Cooperative for sending crews to help us out, and a shout out to Hillco Electric Cooperative for sending crews. And of course, all contractors and all of our folks are out working for you right now too. These times are difficult for our crews out there right now, and all of our guests that are helping us out to restore power. If you would, just say a prayer for them, keep them safe. And so I understand you're frustrated, many of you are, and I understand why. It's cold outside, and we're doing everything we can to quickly get the power back on, but we got to be safe doing it as well. But I will let you know it's sort of tough out there right now. Guys have been working a lot of hours, and they're doing everything they can to put things back. They're putting things back, and in some cases the trees and such are falling and taking it right back out of service again. So again, we're sorry for that, but we can't control the weather, but we're going to do everything we can to get the power back on quickly. So to let you know, it looks like the weather's going to let us have a break here, which is great. The good news is things are starting to melt, which will be good for us and getting the power restored. But we got probably a day or two, maybe even 3 for some members ahead of some tough times. So please make arrangements and take care of yourself that way. Another thing to know, just from a safety standpoint, if you see low lines or lines on the ground, please stay away from them. They could be energized, it could be a problem. So just stay completely away from our lines right now. And I appreciate it. Again, I'm sorry that you're having to deal with this, but we're doing everything we can and as quickly and safely as we can to get you back on.